afternoon, everyone. Thank you so much for this incredible honor. I'd like to thank the Albany Business Review, Melissa and Walter and the incredible team there for this recognition and this opportunity to stand before you today. I'd also like to congratulate the other Hall of Fame inductees and all the 40 under 40 awardees this afternoon. I was trying to explain to my kids, I have a 9-year-old daughter, and she asked me, she says, "Daddy, what does it mean to be inducted into the Hall of Fame for 40 under 40? So I explained it to her, and she looked at me and she says, "I really don't know what that means. What does that actually mean?" So I explained it to her because she's a football fan. So I said to her, I said, "Look, your daddy is a Hall of Fame inductee now. Tom Brady is a future Hall of Fame inductee. Therefore, I'm just like Tom Brady." And she looked at me and said, "You look nothing like Tom Brady, Daddy." I recognize that I'm blessed to be surrounded by incredible friends, a loving family, and a world-class team at work, and I thank God for them. Without them, I probably wouldn't be standing here today. And over the years, I've had more failures than successes. My mistakes have often been the result of undisciplined ambition and spreading myself too thin and losing focus on what really matters. I often got tied up in the big metrics, fastest growing company, most admired, and even trying to get on the lists. No offense, Albany Business Review. With those failures in mind, I just want to take a moment to share with the awardees for the 40 under 40 today a little bit of advice on what I've learned over the 13 years since I was standing here as a 40 under 40 awardee in 2011. I want to share these things with you. Number one, put strong foundations in place. Always do the next right thing and value relationships above all else. 2 years ago, one of our employees named Tom came to me. He was teary-eyed. He's a towering 6'7" guy, full of life and energy, passion and enthusiasm. He's one of the greatest craftsmen I've ever had the privilege to work with. His dedication and commitment to our company, our mission, our team, and our customers has always been unwavering. But on that day, he was pretty nervous. He shared that he had to undergo brain surgery. It wasn't cancer, but a risky procedure with a lengthy recovery time. He was scared. At that moment, you're not a CEO anymore. You're not a boss or a supervisor. You're a nurturer, a sounding board, a caretaker. Our team decided to pay him his full salary for the duration of his recovery, 7 months in all, because we didn't want him, his wife, or his children, his 2 girls, to hassle with time off and PTO and administrative nonsense in order to take care of themselves while their dad was out of commission. Surgery was stress enough. What do strong foundations mean? It means that you put people like Tom first in everything that you do. That every decision that you make from this point forward in your careers, you always put other people first in the decisions that you make, the path that you're going to take to make sure that they're well taken care of, not just yourself. Your foundation is laid on the value of selflessness, on the cornerstone of commitment to other people. It's loyalty. It's that decision you make when you're making decisions. See, Tom needed us during that season of hardship, and the truth is, we've always needed Tom more than he needed us. But it's a reciprocal relationship rooted in trust, admiration, loyalty, and hard work. As you embark on your 40 under 40 journey from this day forward, I want to leave you with these words from Galatians 5:6. It says this, that let us not become weary of doing good, for at the proper time you will reap a harvest if you do not give up. As you build your businesses, as you build your careers, and as you build your families, always remember that the surest foundation of success is in the relationships you build with people like Tom and the good that you do for others. This will lead you to unfathomable heights. Thank you.